Hello everybody, John here, and today on To The Garage we're doing another secret of the XK8. But this one is not from me, this one is from one of our fantastic subscribers. So a big thanks from myself and hopefully from all you guys to subscriber Dom Delicato. And Dom's secret is all about cars around the 2000-2001 model year range. So that'd be XK8s and XKRs. And a lot of them suffered from dashboards that went milky, or that the lacquer started to cloud up and didn't give you a nice clear view of what was behind it. And I've always assumed that that was completely a UV situation and the lacquer was somehow defective. But Dom's done some digging around because he had that self-same issue on his car. And what he's discovered is that the issue was actually more connected with humidity or moisture behind the lacquer, effectively creating a little bit of a gap between the wood and the lacquer, I imagine. And Jaguar actually did a recall where they replaced the entire dashboard veneer set for vehicles that were affected when people complained about them. So there are a lot of cars out there that never got resolved, never got fixed, or weren't exhibiting the issues. So Dom was told that basically he'd have to have the whole thing replaced if he wanted to improve things. The recall is long since gone, and obviously Jaguar isn't going to repay for that 20 odd years on. However, he discovered a little trick, a secret of the XK8, which has made miraculous improvements to his dashboard, and that's what we want to share. So here's the before and after image of Dom's dash. And how did he achieve this miracle? With a hairdryer. So what Dom's technique was to warm up the dashboard with a hairdryer held about 10 centimeters away and very gently bring it up to temperature nice and evenly all over, not concentrate on any one area for too long. And he reckons he spent probably about half an hour basically warming it until any particular area the colours started to come back, and that's the release of the moisture or humidity that's trapped behind the lacquer, moving, getting away and allowing the lacquer to obviously make more intimate contact with the wood. Dom reckons that the solution actually gives him about 6 months before he needs to repeat it. It's not a perfect fix, and you would have to be very careful not to overheat things, and certainly not to overheat, as he's recommended, the plastic instrument lenses on the 3-dial dash. But if it's a toss-up between doing this and replacing the dash, then what have you got to lose? Why not try it out? So Dom Delicato, thank you so much for this secret of the XK8. Milky dashboards caused by humidity on 2000-2001 models can be at least temporarily resolved with the use of a hairdryer. The hairdryer in my garage gets a lot of use. I never knew this was one. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please share, enjoy your comments, and we'll be back soon.